Encouraged and inspired by their efforts, the Serdihun English High School, located under the Borjan MAC constituency, felicitated the students who recently cleared their 2022 High School Leaving Certificate HSLC examination. The felicitation program was chaired by the headmaster Rajesh Kro and was attended as chief guest by DBC senior pastor Reverend Dr. Solomon Rongpi. He was accompanied at the event by Pastor Hilson Singnar, Pastor John Barlow, Evangelist Robinson Ingti, Deacon Obed Killing, Gobind Tiso, and Manik Ingti. The successful students of the school were felicitated with Karbi Poho and gift. In addition to this, Angelus Crow, who secured first division with letter marks in science and also securing highest marks in English subject from their school, was awarded Rs 15,000 in cash, while Elias Qatar was also awarded with Rs 5,000 cash as best teacher of the school. During the event, the chief guest congratulated and lauded the students, parents, and the school for putting their effort despite various challenges. Further, he also conveyed his best wishes and prayers to the successful students towards pursuing higher studies and successful career. It may be mentioned that the school was established in 2007 by Dipu Baptist Church to mark its Silver Jubilee celebration and have now completed 15 years. The pass percentage of first batch was recorded at 90%, 80% in the second, and 100% in the third year, and 50% cleared their exam this year. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live.